You can count number of entries in a column or several columns for a specific value manually. But there is a better solution. You can use COUNTIF function to count number of entries for a single value. This function takes two parameters: count range and criteria. Let's count number of entries of yes in column B. First, we select the range. Then, we select our criteria. You can use COUNTIFs function to count number of entries for multiple values in different columns. This function takes at least two parameters: count range and criteria. But you can add as many parameters pairs as you need. We are going to use 2 pairs in our example. Let's count number of entries for the combination of entries 2 in column C and 3 in column F. We start with selection of the range for first criteria. Then we select first criteria. After that we select the range for the second criteria. And then we select second criteria. Please let me know in your comments how often you use these formulas.